Automobile sparkles. What if the most iconic small car in history came back, but this time as a futuristic EV? Meet the Volkswagen Beetle Foxy 2026, a bold reimagination of the classic Beetle that once ruled the roads in the USA, UK, Germany, and beyond. From the very first glance, the Foxy 2026 grabs your attention with its rounded silhouette, a tribute to its legendary past, but now paired with sleek full-width LED lights and aerodynamic curves. The rear is equally stunning, with a glowing light bar and smooth, electric-inspired design that proves the Beetle has grown into the future. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that blends nostalgia with cutting-edge tech. A massive central touchscreen dominates the dash, while retro digital dials echo the Beetle's old-school charm. Two-tone leather seats, panoramic glass roof, and ambient lighting create a vibe that feels both playful and premium. And under the floor lies its beating heart. A dual-motor electric system delivering up to 350 miles of range and rapid charging, meaning the Beetle is ready for modern city life and long weekend drives alike. So here's the question, is the Foxy 2026 just a stylish throwback, or could it be the most exciting EV comeback of the decade? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more futuristic car reveals.